Hello everyone, my name is Tomo. In this lesson, I'm going to teach the particle de n place de v. N means noun, v means verb. In this case, the place word is noun. Noun, place, de, verb. When added after a noun denoting a place, the particle de indicates the occurrence of an action in that place. Place word plus de. Examples of the place words in English are station, home, library, restaurant, airport, fourth floor. You can just add the particle de after these place words in Japanese. Station is eki, so eki de. Home is ie, so ie de. Library is 図書館, so 図書館で. Restaurant is レストラン, so レストランで. Airport is 空港, so 空港で. Fourth floor is 4階, so 4階で. I'm gonna show some example sentences. I'm going to buy a paper at the station. At the station is the place, so 駅で新聞を買います。駅で新聞を買います。駅で新聞を買います。駅で新聞を買います。The topic 私は is omitted. 買います is verb. I'm going to meet my friend in Japan. In Japan is the place, so 日本で友達に会います。日本で友達に会います。日本で友達に会います。日本で友達に会います。I'm going to buy a TV in Akihabara. In Akihabara is the place, so 秋葉原でテレビを買います。秋葉原でテレビを買います。秋葉原でテレビを買います。秋葉原でテレビを買います。Okay, that's it for today's lesson. If you want to learn more Japanese from me, please subscribe my channel. If you have any questions about this lesson or any requests, please comment below. I will answer. Also, please visit the website PlainJapanese.com to review for today's lesson. I explain there for further details on this lesson. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.